Annyeonghaseyo 여러분. Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak Korean Like a Native. Korean, Hangugyo, is the official language of South Korea, North Korea, and China's Yanbian Korean Autonomous Prefecture. It is the dominant community language of the Korean diaspora, spanning Uzbekistan to Japan to Canada. It is a fascinating and complex language of debated origins that is rich in history, culture, and beauty. Whether you're planning a vacation to the Korean world, trying to reconnect with your heritage, or just enjoy learning new languages, follow these simple steps to speaking Korean, and you'll soon be on your way to fluency. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. The first step to entering the world of Korean is learning Hangul, the Korean alphabet. Each letter is a visual representation of how the sound is made in your mouth. We'll practice consonants and vowels separately, and as we practice writing them together, you'll be reading Korean words like a pro in no time. So let's conquer Hangul. Now that we're familiar with the alphabet, let's learn some basic counting. Korean has two number systems, Native Korean and Sino-Korean. Native Korean numbers are used for counting things and people, while Sino-Korean numbers are used for dates, money, and larger numbers. We'll practice counting with both systems, and I'll share some helpful tips to keep them straight. Learning a language is like building a house. You need a strong foundation, which is vocabulary. From greetings like hello and thank you to basic nouns like car and house. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start to pick up and understand Korean in everyday situations. Now for the exciting part, having your first conversations in Korean. We'll cover essential phrases like how are you and my name is. Imagine yourself confidently greeting a Korean friend or ordering food at a restaurant in Seoul. One of the unique aspects of Korean culture is its emphasis on respect and hierarchy, which is reflected in the language. You'll learn how to use the appropriate levels of formality when speaking to elders, strangers, and people in positions of authority. We'll explore different speech levels, from informal to formal, and learn when to use each one with practical examples. Understanding Korean grammar, sentence structure, and more. In this lesson, we'll demystify Korean grammar, starting with basic sentence structure. You'll discover that unlike English's subject-verb-object order, Korean follows a subject-object-verb structure. Perfecting your Korean pronunciation. We'll practice differentiating similar sounds, like the infamous R sound, and master the art of intonation, which can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Staying motivated on your Korean language journey. Remember why you started learning Korean in the first place. Whether it's to connect with your roots, travel to Korea, or simply challenge yourself. Wrapping up, keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson. Speak Korean like a native. Congratulations on completing the first episode. Remember, the key to success is consistent practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next exciting lesson. See you next time. Fighting! Congratulations once again on completing the first episode of Speak Korean Like a Native. Now, let's take your learning to the next level by engaging with the Korean community. Join online forums, participate in language exchange programs, or even find a Korean language buddy. Immersing yourself in real conversations will accelerate your learning and boost your confidence. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about culture and connection. So, get out there, make new friends, and embrace every opportunity to practice. Good luck, and see you in the next lesson.